These are Lillian Gibson Roses, and we are going to turn them into rose petal jam.
I really like that one. Can I just
like this one. This one's my favorite.
Can I just pick it off?
I guess if you want to. If I need more, I can go pluck some others. So we got to start out by bludgeoning some lemons so that they produce good juice. And that's not what I mean by bludgeoning the lemons. Set the frying pan down. Gently set the frying pan down, not on the lemons. These lemons are a little hard. So we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. When you're making jam, fresh squeezed lemon juice is really the best way to go, unless it's really just there to boost your acidity. If there's going to be any chance that the lemon flavor is going to be part of the jam flavor, you need fresh squeezed lemons. I used to not believe in this, but I have changed my mind. It really does give the jam a brighter, sunnier, warmer flavor. And yes, those are words that I'm using to describe a flavor, not a visual. So, no. What I like to do is press down and roll them on the counter until they're a little bit softer, because then they're going to yield a whole lot more juice.
Yikes.
And really, having used a lot of different tools, this thing for lemon squeezing, hold this amazing thing. This is the best thing on the planet. That's not how it works. Okay, can you open it? The lemon goes in here, pulpy side down, and you squoosh it and invert the peel. So we'll demonstrate this in a minute. But this really, really helps you get every last morsel of lemon out of your lemons. Lemon juice out of your lemons. 9. And the lemon juice goes in here. Don't let this tip over, or you'll spill the lemon juice and we will cry.
Can you?
Screw gravity.
Water, rose petals, sugar.
I already got
lemon
quite a
juice,
lot out of
pectin.
that.
Oh my gosh, you did! Holy cows! I need 3 tablespoons, and honestly, I don't think it's going to be a problem now. You're a rock star.
Thank you.